Until I get hold of it. Ready? Okay. Thank you, DJ Nuzzy. Thank you, DJ Nuzzy. Turn the camera on yourself, DJ Nuzzy. Yeah. Well, thank you for watching the Clone Show. What's today's show about, Cassie? It's about the cell membrane. Ooh. What's mine? What's mine? What's mine? I'm Cassie. Hi. I'm Cassie. Get out here. No, Mama. Kick me out the camera. Come on. Hey, Cassie. Hey, Cassie. Let's talk to our American viewers out there. Hi, American viewers.
Hi!
I love the cell membrane. It's so cellular and membranous. What do you say, sir?
Yes, hence the name cell membrane.
Okay. Well, what's my line? What's my line? What's my line? Oh, yeah, so hence the name cell membrane. And then she has
Background?
the people.
Background.
Do you get it?
Do you get it?
No!
Well, let's try a different approach. Let's go. We'll be right back, America. All right. This is a blanket, which is going to stand for the cell membrane. Blanket, meet Cassie.
Hi.
Now to the cell membrane. Cell membrane. Now, do you get it?
No!
What about the cell membrane?
Wait a minute, okay.
What is the cell membrane?
Okay. Yeah. So the cell membrane, it lets in what it wants, meaning it's semi-permeable.
Hi, I'm the cell membrane. I'm semi-permeable.
Isn't that nice? Well, I'm going to leave now. I think it's some people coming your way. Maybe they might be bacteria or something.
Oh no! Thank God I'm semi-permeable.
Yeah.
Hide from the bacteria. Hide from the bacteria. Hide from the bacteria. Hide from the bacteria.
Read your line.
I don't have a line.
Yes, you do.
Oh, okay, I do have a line. There are some proteins that allow certain molecules to enter in and out of the cell. If the molecule is not small enough, it will not enter the cell membrane. This process is called diffusion. What is that?
Hey you.
Hi.
Hey you, I'm a bacteria. Let me in.
No, I don't like you.
Aw.
Bye.
Aw.
Bye, bacteria. See you next week.
Okay. I'll see you at my grandma's book club, right?
As you can see, the bacteria was too big to fit through the proteins.
Oh no. Oh.
What is it?
Never
What's
mind.
coming?
I think it's some water.
Water's coming? I like water.
I like water too.
It's good for me.
No, it's not. The
Mm.
white man's lying to you.
Don't say that here. You'll get us an L.
Hey there.
Pause. As you can see, the water molecule is slightly smaller than the bacterial molecule, making it able to fit through the proteins through the process of diffusion into the cell membrane. Play.
Hey there. Can I come in? I'm water.
Sure. Diffusion.
Yeah, so
That's my foot.
well,
I guess
I guess that's our
That's our
show.
show.